The digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are each used once to write a 5-digit number, PQRST. The 3-digit number PQR is divisible by 4, the 3-digit number QRS is divisible by 5, and the 3-digit number RST is divisible by 3. What is P? We are forming 5-digit number P, Q, R, S, and T using 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we are given the 3-digit numbers in this 5-digit number PQR is divisible by 4. PQR divisible by 4, and this is the divisibility problem, and we have to use the divisibility rules. If this PQR is divisible by 4, then QR has to be multiples of 4. Next, QRS is divisible by 5. And if a number is divisible by 5, the last digit has to be 0 or 5, and the only available digit is 5. Now we know S equals 5. S is 5. And the 3-digit number RST is divisible by 3. If RST is divisible by 3, then R plus S plus T, the sum of the digit has to be multiples of 3. We know that this is 5. So the closest multiples of 3 is 6, but that's not possible because we have at least 2 digits and the smallest one is 1. So the lowest value we can get is 9 here, or R plus S plus T, the next multiples of 3 is 12. The next multiples of 3 is 15. R plus S plus T is 15. If this is the case, then R plus T has to be, since S is 5, it has to be 10. But we have the maximum value we can get for that 3 plus 4, which is 7, which is not an option. Now we know the sum of R plus T. Let's put that one. This is S is equal to 5, S is equal to 5. Then we have 2 cases for this. Either R plus T is equal to 4, or R plus T is equal to 12 minus 5, which is 7. And let's look at the divisibility rule for 4. Or what are the options? We can write the options here. It could be 1 plus 3 is 4, or 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2, we can't use the same digit twice. So R plus 3 is either 1 plus 3, or it could be 3 plus 1 is 4. Or the second case, R plus 3 is going to be 7, then one of them has to be 4, the other has to be 3. 4 plus 3, or vice versa, 3 plus 4. And if we look at PQR, this part is divisible by 4, then if it is divisible by 4, QR, this R has to be even number, like 12 or 24 or 32. R has to be even number. And the only case, the even number here, we don't have, these are 1 and 3, they're odd numbers. The only possible value for R then has to be 4. R has to be 4. R has to be 4. Then T has to be 3. And now QR has to be multiples of 4. And we can have 24 only. But 14 is not a multiples of 4. It has to be 24. And the only option left for P has to be 1. Answer is option A.